Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect and pair your PlayStation 5 controller on over to your Windows PC, and this is very easy to do. Just on the home screen here, let's go down to the Windows Start button, select this, and go to Settings. Then we want to go to Bluetooth and Devices on the left side of the screen, and select this, and go on over to where it says Add Device. Select this, and we can go to Bluetooth, audio, device right here, mice, keyboard, phones, etc. Now it's looking for a device to connect to. Take your PlayStation 5 controller and put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And to do this, we want to have the controller completely turn off so there's no blue lights on it. And if your controller is on, just hold down the middle PlayStation button for about 10 to 15 seconds and that will manually turn it off. Then hold down the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time. And if we do this, the light bar is going to begin to blink. So you can see the light is blinking on it now. And our computer should be able to detect this, and it should show up under this list. So here we have the DualSense wireless controller input. Let's select it, and it's connecting. All right, and it says it's done. Now we can see it's connected under the Bluetooth devices, and we can open up Steam, and we can start playing our computer games with it. So it's very simple to connect it. Just feel under here. Also, you can remove it at any point in time. Maybe you're trying to connect this back up to a phone or something like that. Might be helpful to forget it from your current device so you can find it on a different device. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.